In this video, I'm going to be looking at the best all-inclusive resorts in Cancun. I've broken it down into two categories: best family all-inclusive and best adults-only all-inclusive. We'll take a quick look at the finalist and then announce the winner for each category, plus I'll add a resort that tops my list for places I want to go to next. All right, here we go. Starting out with the finalists for the best family all-inclusive: Hyatt Ziva Cancun, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun, Hotel Xcaret, and Fairmont Mayakoba. Hyatt Ziva Cancun hits the finalist list for best location. The resort is in the hotel zone right at the tip out at Punta Cancun. It is surrounded with water on three sides, with one of those being a protected beach that is great for wading out in the water. It also has an adults-only section called Turquoise. The location at this resort is absolutely amazing. Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun comes in as the best budget family all-inclusive. It's an absolutely great resort for the money. It's got plenty to do for the kids with great pools, splash park and water park, game room with laser tag, bowling, and more, and some really good shows. For me, I'm amazed at all this one has to offer for the price. Royalton does a great job adding in a luxury feel for a budget resort. The finalist Hotel Xcaret comes in as the best for activities. So, wow and wow. Hotel Xcaret is a wonderland of things to do, whether at the resort itself or going over to the parks, which are included. The resort has pools, canals with slides, shows, a game room, chapel, and more. Plus, you get the Xcaret parks included, and it's just a short ride away, and complimentary transportation is provided. Our last finalist is Fairmont Mayakoba for Best Luxury. This resort sits in the Mayakoba community and is truly luxury and awesome for relaxation. The food is outstanding and it's peaceful and quiet. It has a much more laid-back atmosphere to enjoy the pools and the beach. All right, so those are our finalists for the best family all-inclusive. And the overall big winner goes to Hotel Xcaret. With the parks included in the actual resort itself, Hotel Xcaret does an amazing job of providing everything you would want or need for an unforgettable family vacation. Okay, now on to the adults-only finalists and the big reveal for the overall winner for the best adults-only all-inclusive. Our finalists are Secrets the Vine Cancun, Live Aqua Cancun, Hyatt Zilara Cancun, and Impression Moshe. Secrets the Vine is an upscale resort with luxury balcony suites that overlook the amazing beach of the Cancun Hotel Zone. The resort itself is relatively small and compact, but in a great location for exploring Cancun and walking down the stunning beach. Live Aqua Cancun comes in as the finalist for checking every box. Great location, great food, luxurious, just everything you could hope for, and it has some amazing suites to upgrade your experience. Hyatt Zilara Cancun is also located in the hotel zone, and you'll often see it top the list for best adults-only all-inclusive resorts in Cancun. For me, this resort boasts one of the best beaches we've ever been to, and its location allows for easy access for excursions and a fun day trip over to Isla Mujeres in Playa Norte. Our last finalist is Impressions Moshe by Secrets. This resort takes us out of the hotel zone and down the Riviera Maya to Playa del Carmen. The resort is a separate exclusive building in the Secrets Moshe complex for a more upscale and luxurious experience. It features spacious suites, dedicated butlers, amazing food, and an incredible rooftop infinity edge pool with views of Cozumel, plus a quiet and relaxing private beach club. All right, so wow, those are some of the best resorts on earth. And so, for the grand prize winner, the best of the best for adults-only all-inclusive Cancun goes to Impressions Moshe. This resort is just top of the top. Everything from the pools to the walkways, the food, the drinks, the service, the room, everything was just absolutely perfect. This Impressions brand by Secrets is going to be something to watch for, and leads me to the bonus of what resort is on the top of the wish list for wanting to go see. And that resort is Impression Isla Mujeres. The small island of Isla Mujeres has become extremely popular, and this new resort looks astounding. We had the opportunity to briefly walk through it on a quick day trip to the island, and it confirmed for us that we needed to go back and get the full experience of that amazing resort. Okay, so that wraps up the best resorts in Cancun. Drop a note in the comment and let me know if I missed something or if you agree with my choices. If you're interested in seeing more, check out our resort videos and subscribe to stay posted on all of our latest adventures. Like always, I hope you travel well, and I hope this helps you travel better.